Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, saws, lathes, and much more. Today we're going to show you a unique machine. This is more of an aircraft industry machine, very heavy duty. It is made by a Walter Eckold. You can notice it's a C-frame style, has a very deep throat here. You can see it all the way back to about 35. You probably get it to right to 36 inches on the center. There's many things that you can do with this type of machine depending on the tooling that you do have into it. Currently there is just this little setup. I don't know exactly what they were doing with it, but you can see the different tooling they have on it. Here's your stroke control. It comes with a foot pedal and a hand control. We'll go ahead and show you just simple how to use the machine and how it works. So right now we have it set on a very short stroke. You'll notice the head going down just a little tiny bit. We'll move this up here. Right now we are at a 1-inch stroke. You could use this for different types of hardware inserting or different types of rivets. Just depending on the tooling you could add into it. Right there is a 1.5-inch stroke. And here's your 2-inch stroke. Right there is at 3 inches. You can see it's getting closer to the tool here. There's a little bit over 3 inches. Now we're inside the tool. So I'm going to stop with the depth here so that we make sure we don't crash it. It looks like it goes around at least 4 inches here. If you're interested in this machine or any other, we do carry a lot of different aircraft type machinery, fabricating and chip making machinery. Please give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for a current inventory of machinery and tooling at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.